Hello listener, in our previous video we have discussed comparing ratio and some exercise problem. Today we are going to discuss about important 1 mark question that will appear in your final examinations. Okay, let's discuss. For what value of k the following system of equation has a unique solution? So for what value of k the following system of equation has a unique solution? How you will get unique solution? Okay, how you will get unique solution? Okay, a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 is equal to 0. This equation will have a unique solution when it will satisfied will have unique solution if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. When a equation become unique if it satisfy this condition, which a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, in the given equation, in the above given system of equation, what is the value of a1? a1 is 1. Okay, a1 is 1, b2 is equal to minus k. Okay, minus k. What is your a2 value? a2 is 3 and b2 is equal to 2. After finding the value of your coefficient, substitute in your formula. What is your condition? It must to get unique solution, what it will satisfy? a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. If it is true, then it is a unique solution. Then substitute in your above equation. So what is your a1? 1 by 3 is not equal to minus k upon 2. Just do cross multiplication. So what value of minus k you will get? Minus k is not equal to 2 by 3. So what you will get? Minus k is not equal to minus k is not equal to, so it implies k is not equal to minus 2 by 3. So the system of equation, have a unique solution for k is equal to r minus of 2 by 3. Okay, for all value of k the solution is unique solution. Our next important problem is show that the pair of linear equations 7x plus y equal to 10 and x plus 7y equal to 10 are consistent. Whether that pair of linear equations are consistent or not. When we say that pair of linear equation is consistent or not, when if it is a intersecting one or it is a coincidence one. So we are taking first intersecting one. Okay, if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then the equation are consistent. Okay, consistent. So what is the value of a1? Is 7, b1 is 1, and what is the value of a2 is 1 and b2 is equal to 7. Just substitute. So what is your A1? 7 by what? 1 is not equal to 1 by 7. So given equation are consistent. Given equation are consistent. Just note it down. 7 by 1 is not equal to 1 by 7. Our next problem is, for what value of m the following system of equation will have a unique solution. We know that the system of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 will have a unique solution. When it will have unique solution? If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. When you will have unique solution? When a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Here what is the value of a1 is equal to 3 and b1 is equal to m. b1 is equal to 1. b1 is equal to 1. Here what is the value of a1? What is the value of a1 is equal to 3, b1 equal to 1. Okay. And what is the value of a2? a2 is value is 9 and b2 is equal to 12. Then substitute it. So 3 by 9 is not equal to m by 12. So cross multiplication, what value you will get it? M is equal to, okay, m is equal to 3 into 12 by 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. So what is the value of m? M is not equal to, therefore m is not equal to 4. So for m is not equal to 4, the above equation will have a unique solution. That is r minus of 4. So for every value, for m value equal to 4, it has a unique solution.